and boom, out of nowhere, it just starts raining in the Philippines. You see over there? They're using the basketball pitch for gliding. While it's raining and flooding elsewhere, it's playtime over here. See? There are 3 dudes over there. See? He's gonna glide. They go. That's it. I love this. I just hope it's safe elsewhere, because it could rain like this for hours, and when it gets to rain for over 6 hours, it will eventually flood some homes in flood prone areas. They're just playing in the rain. They're pulling that dude on the surface. Hey, that's crazy. See what they're doing in the rain. Those dudes are crazy. I love that. I hope they don't catch a cold. See what they're gonna do. They're pulling him again. Oh my God, that's crazy. They're having the best of moments. See? They're pulling him again. Pulling him. Oh my God. I hope that surface is very smooth. If not, he'll end up with bruised skin. See? Some just riding in the rain. No raincoat. It's getting so heavy. Stay safe. Wherever you are, stay safe.